just checked into the 4 Points by Sheraton, Seoul Station, and yeah, I think this hotel has seen better days. After walking into my room, the thermostat was at 108 degrees Fahrenheit, so definitely not suitable for any hotel anywhere, I assume. But yeah, all the facilities seem a little run down. The vending machines in the laundry room are all broken, so you have to go down to the main lobby to pick up any detergent if you want to wash your clothes or exchange cash for coins, because the laundry machines only take 500 yen or 500 won coins or 1,000 Korean won bills. But besides that, I mean, it's one of the cheaper Marriott properties. I think one of the cheapest Marriott properties in the city. So I'm not complaining. And it's right by Seoul Station, where I'm going to be heading tomorrow to go to Busan. So yeah, and they upgraded my room for being a Titanium Elite member. So pluses and minuses, I guess. So this is just the entrance. And here is the restroom. There is a bathtub with a detachable shower head, and over here there's also another shower with a rainfall shower head up top and a detachable one on the side. And into the room, there's one king bed, and I believe they also have rooms with 2 twins or double, in case you are traveling with family or a loved one. They got you covered. And there's a sitting area with 2 chairs, as well as a little desk area. I'd say a 50-inch TV. And then down here you have a refrigerator, and you have your cups and coffee, all that kind of stuff. I don't really mess with all those amenities, but I know a lot of people do, so they got you covered. And like I mentioned, they were able to put me on the 30th floor, so very good sweeping views of Seoul. And of course, there's a giant skyscraper right in front of the building. Down here is Seoul Station. It's about a 5-minute walk from the lobby, or from the first floor of the hotel. You walk out this way, and then you walk over here. And the entrance to Seoul Station is just behind this building. These are the tracks, obviously.
카리스마 넘쳐 너의 움직임 우리 잘 맞는 것 같아 Girl, kinda same like we got chemistry, same energy I can see us make history 빙빙 돌아가듯이 You are goddess like Venus, I'll be orbiting Promise, I ain't tryna play games with ya, girl Honest, you are not a side character Every day after day, I tryna go out my way Cause I wanna secure you Oh, I wanna See you every night after night Can we forget about time Cause I wanna adore you Oh, I wanna Make you mine Make you mine Snap this this is picture perfect. Really got me thinking you and I could be something. Pressed all the right buttons and now I'm done searching. Damn 다른 여자랑 비교 안 돼, no competition. Sweet like gelato 되고 싶어 Valentino. Rockin' on a high note, got a loving it soprano. 너 만나고 나서 절대 놓지 않아 바빠도 다른 여자는 없어 no. Cause you're the one and only girl. Promise, I ain't tryna play games with ya, girl. Honest, you are not a side character. Every day after day, I tryna go out my way. So I wanna secure you.